Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of the Roger beep from your Allstar node if you are using the iaxRPT software to connect your node to different repeaters and different hubs. I find this beep to be incredibly annoying, and after looking around the internet, the few fixes that I found to suppress the beep would actually suppress other things that I didn't want to have suppressed. Like, for example, every once in a while I want to run the command to hear the time or to have my call sign being announced. And some of those fixes would end up suppressing that, and that's not what I wanted. I just want the Roger tone to be suppressed. And the Roger tone that I'm talking about is this one. I'll give you an example of what that is. So using the iaxRPT software, when I hit the transmit button, VE3MDN testing, that beep at the end of the transmission is the beep that I want to suppress. Now, I'm not sure if this fix will work if you're connecting your Allstar node to a hotspot or if it's connected to a repeater. So guys, if you do see this video, please give it a shot on a repeater or on a hotspot and let me know if it gets rid of the tone, because it would be great. And put it in the comments below. At least that way you can help the community out to suppress some of these beeps, because I'm sure a lot of people want to get rid of it, and there isn't a clear way that I found on the internet to get rid of these beeps. I've been looking for months and I think I finally figured it out. So with that said, let's get to it and I'll show you how to suppress the beep. So the first thing you got to do is make sure you have your iaxRPT session open. Open up a session of PuTTY and log into your Raspberry Pi. And log into your Raspberry Pi using WinSCP or whatever other program that you like to use. So once you're in there, go to the etc asterisk folder and open up the RPT configuration file. All right, so once that's open, the changes that I've made are here. So the first change I made is under the duplex. I've made that setting to 1. And then you've got to scroll down until you find this setting right here, this link unkey CT. This is the command right here that gives you your Roger tone. And this CT8 corresponds to a setting that is all the way at the bottom of this file. So it's under this heading, and here's CT8, and you'll see a bunch of numbers here. So somewhere on the internet I found what each of these numbers mean, and I think the first number represents tone 1, the second number represents tone 2, the third number represents, I think, the speed, I can't remember, and the last one represents the amplitude of the tone. So what I did is I created another setting here called CT9, and I made those values 0, 0, 0, 0. So no tone 1, no tone 2, no speed, no amplitude. And I just made a comment beside it that I've just marked as silent. So this is the line that I've created under this heading. All right, so once you've got that in there, scroll back up to where the courtesy tone mapping is, and under the link unkey CT, change that to CT9. All right, save the file. Okay, go over to your PuTTY program, select option 13 to restart the asterisk server, select yes. All right, So the asterisk has restarted. So we'll just give it a second more. And then we will connect the iaxRPT software. All right, so that's connected. Now I'm going to do a test transmission. Victor Echo 3, Mike Delta November testing. No Roger beep. So that is how you can get rid of the Roger beep. And if you want, you can still play things like the time. So if you go *81.
Good evening. The time is 7:42 p.m.
You can still hear the time transmissions if you still want that as a feature. So guys, that's how you suppress the Roger tone. Give it a shot. Try it on your hotspots. Try it on your repeaters. Put it in the comments below if it works, and hopefully we can spread the word on getting rid of those annoying Roger beeps. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. 7-3, and hope to see you again soon.